Previously on State of Franklin.
When you pick up a Funny Bone card, well, you'll just have to get Funny Bone.
I cast no blame on you, sir. Were I in your position, I too would regard the person standing before you as a madman.
No, not at all. I was just, just disregard that. I was just, doing a little research for work, you know.
And exactly what does this research entail? The study of mental illness or of half-dressed ladies?
Do you need something?
Only to tell you that having given myself an adequate respite from consciousness and awakened feeling quite refreshed, I have embraced the fact that I am firmly entrenched, not in a dream, but in reality.
Oh, that's good to hear.
And I apologize to you for any prior actions which may have come across as erratic or even threatening.
Apology accepted. Thank you.
And while I do appreciate your offer to let me tarry here for the night, I feel that I should move on, with haste. My priority lies in finding my way back home.
Hey, when you can't tarry, you can't tarry.
My first objective, therefore, is to secure transportation back to Philadelphia.
Okay, so I'm guessing you don't have enough money to fly back.
I have neither the funding nor the wings for that task, sir.
So you're still Benjamin Franklin, and the year is still 1752?
The former is a certainty. The latter seems to be in question.
Well, for your information, Ben, the year is 2015, okay? You're a nut job, and you are in Tennessee, my friend, which is a long-ass bus ride back to Philadelphia.
I am afraid I am not familiar with the whereabouts of Tennessee.
Of course you're not, because in 1752 there was no Tennessee. Oh, or for that matter, there were no states in 1752, right? You're good. I'll give you that much.
Is the year actually 2015?
Well, that's what Ryan Seacrest told everybody, so I assume it's true.
I'm sorry, but I am not familiar with Ryan Seacrest.
Okay. What do you want? Do you want money? Because I'll buy you a bus ticket back to Philadelphia, but I'm not giving you money to go buy meth or to sniff Sharpies or whatever it is the hell you do.
May I have a seat in your chair?
Yeah. Dude, would you mind not touching the screen with your hands?
When I fancied this world but a dream, I questioned the fantastic nature of nothing. But upon acceptance of its truth, I find my curiosity is now unquenchable. Please explain this device which sets printer's type yet does not register to the touch. Yes, the characters are all here, though oddly arranged. I've seen you press them.
Hang on. Try again. I guess you've never read Microsoft Word for Dummies.
And the article on mental illness, you are the author?
No, it's on the internet.
This is the internet?
No, that's my computer. The internet's a place where people go to learn things. It's kind of like a library. It's hard to explain.
I want to understand the internet.
Nobody understands the internet, especially Facebook.
A miniature telescope, perhaps?
It's a camera.
I want to know how this works. And what produces the light? That's the last thing I remember from before.
What is?
Thunder, lightning, your residence. Tell me, in 2015, is a man capable of transporting himself from one year to another?
Oh, yeah. In the movies.
Tell me about the movies.
You want to know about movies?
Everything. This computer is of gargantuan proportions. My best deduction is that this is a mirror of some sort, which perhaps reflects the images of actors who perform behind us, somehow hidden from our view.
Yeah, because I pay a bunch of actors to live in my den until I'm ready to watch them in my mirror. Seriously, dude, you're getting your hand wound cooties all over my stuff. Just watch the movie. And don't sit so close to the TV. It'll make you cross-eyed. Let's try it again. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
No, it's more in the back of the throat. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
We'll work on it.
You say that movies are like plays, that these are simply actors performing a work of fiction?
Yeah, more or less.
And exactly how has this man traveled from the future to the present?
They don't really explain it, and I'm okay with that.
And he has traveled to the present to assassinate the young lady.
It's the Terminator. Schwarzenegger?
Did you just call me a black plowman in German?
Be serious. You're telling me you have never seen the Terminator?
I have never seen any of the marvels you have revealed to me today.
Because I assume that that's where you got the whole showing up naked in my living room thing. The Terminator arrived from the future butt naked, just like I found you in my living room naked. Oh God, you didn't come here to kill everyone named Toby Hamilton, did you?
I can assure you, whatever the reasons may be for my presence here, they are still quite unclear to me. I have a question. How does this Terminator fellow get back to his own time?